Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to learn a unique words. It's called in English similar words. In Arabic we can say mutashabihat. Let us know the meaning of these similar words. Alamun, universe. Alamun, universe. Alimun, scientist. Scientist. Sautun, voice. Sautun, whip. Whip. Sautun, whip. Khaliyun, empty. Empty. Ghaliyun, ghaliyun, expensive. Expensive, ghaliyun, expensive. Hamamun, hamamun, dove. Hamamun, bathroom. Bathroom. Here, irkhun, irkhun, ween, ween, irkhun, ween, arakhun, sweat. Let's revise once again. Alamun, universe. Alimun, scientist. Sautun, voice. Sautun, whip. Khaliyun, empty. Ghaliyun, expensive. Hamamun, dove. Hammamun, bathroom. Arakhun, sweat.